Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of delayed accounts on Gmail. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of delayed accounts on Gmail, we click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Gmail app and you can click. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you can go to storage. Here you can click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account as you see here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.